Family is very important in life and is very important in a bill of materials. The family, as we've suggested in a bill of materials, is best defined as a parent-child relationship. There are two primary members of this relationship, the parent and the child. In a bill of materials, the parent is best defined as an upper-level item or assembly that contains child items that are used to build the item or assembly. Child items in our parent-child relationship are the lower-level components that you will need to build the parent item. With this in mind, a parent item is above its children, and parent items can have as many children as needed to make the parent. A child is one of the components or raw materials that are used to make the parent item or the item above. In the case of a bill of materials, children have only one parent. On the flip side, a child can be a parent to its own children too, and they can have as many as they need to. This results in what is known as a multi-level bill of materials. Let's look at an example of a parent-child relationship. A bicycle is our parent item. This is the independent demand item that a customer buys and is scheduled in the master production schedule. A bike, however, has components to it. We need a frame, two wheels, a chain, pedals, and a seat, and a few other things for the bicycle to be complete. These components are the children or dependent demand that is scheduled in material requirements planning. And that's a parent-child relationship in a bill of materials. We'll see you in the next module.